Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today's lesson is Comparing and Scaling 3.4. The problem comes to us on page 37 through 39, problems A through E. And we're going to be doing ACE problems 12 and 27 through 32. And our learning target is I can use division to find a unit rate. Okay, so here's the deal. We use division all the time to find unit rates. What's a unit rate? Well, remember, a unit rate is any ratio, any relationship where one of the numbers is 1, like 4 to 1. But more often, we describe that as miles per gallon or cost per item or, price per ticket. Anything with per. Anytime we're looking where the cost of a single item or the value of a single item paired with some other value is going to be a rate. Now, finding rates with division can be tricky, which is why we have a whole lesson dedicated to it. Although it's very, very simple. Finding unit rates with division works like this. The order in which you divide two numbers makes the unit rate. Remember to divide by the number you want as the unit. So when you have the number represented as 1, that will come second. Here is my little hint. Anytime we say per in the answer, it really means divide by. So if I do miles per gallon, I want to do miles divided by gallons. If I want the gallons per mile, I would have gallons come first and miles come second. So in my example here, a car goes 356 miles on 10 gallons of gas. Well, miles per gallon, well, I need to put miles first, 356, and divide by 10. And I get 35.6 miles per gallon. But now let's say I want to know how many gallons will it take for me to go 1 mile. Now this might sound confusing, but it's actually an important rate if you want to know your fuel consumption. If you want to know how far you can get on, how much gas will it take for you to go a mile. So we're going to reverse that now and do 10 divided by 356. And what we end up getting is 0.028 gallons a mile. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, just remember anytime you hear per, you mean divide by. And they both tell you very different things. One will tell me how far I can go on a single gallon of gas, and the other one tells me how much gas I use to go to a mile. Our classwork today is lesson 3.3 practice, page 37 through 39, A through E. Our ACE problems are 12 and 27 through 32. Have fun, ladies and gentlemen.